Christian school, you had the rich and then you had the wealthy. The difference between the two is that with the rich, it would take a few bad years for them to become middle class again. That's what happened to my family. Versus wealthy, it would take them a few bad decades. So they were competitive, but their competition was for achievements. Versus the rich, they were very competitive, but it was based on fear and lack. And you can see a modern day example, modern day, like I'm an ancient person, but a recent example is the college scandals. You see the rich celebrities trying to get into these schools so they could get their kids connected with wealthy people. A wealthy person I went to school with was Paris Hilton. She transferred in her senior year when I was a freshman. And here's the thing, my school used to be an all boys school. So the ratio of guys was 3-1. But when she transferred in, the sophomore girls and the junior girls were freaking out because she would affect their social hierarchy and social capital by stealing all the boys, even though there are way more guys than girls. So they were always running on fear and competition versus just trying to do well or do their best.